Hello everyone, I, Sheetal Badesra, faculty of BBA from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on functions, process and role of management. Peter F. Drucker says, management is an organ. Organs can be defined and described only through their functions. So let's discuss first the functions of management in brief. Number 1, planning. Planning is the most fundamental and most pervasive of all management. Management functions. If people working in groups have to perform effectively, they should know in advance what is to be done, what activities they have to perform effectively in order to do what is to be done. It is deciding in present about the future objectives and the course of actions of their achievement. Number 2, organizing. It includes identification of activities required for achievement of objectives and implementation of the plans. Also, it includes grouping of activities so as to create self-contained jobs. It also includes assignment of jobs to employees, delegation of authorities with the establishment of network. Number 3, staffing. It is a continuous and vital function of management. It includes A. Manpower planning, B. Recruitment, C. Selection of the most suitable persons, and D. Last but not the least, that is induction and orientation. Number 4, directing. It is the function of leading the employees to perform efficiently and contribute their optimum to the achievement of the objectives. It includes communication, motivation, leadership. Number 5, that is coordination. It is the function of establishing such a relationship among various parts of the organization which includes unity of direction, unity of command, effective communication, effective leadership. Also, coming to the last but not the least, that is 6th one, controlling. It includes measurement of performance against predetermined goals. It also includes identification of deviation from these goals. Lastly, it includes corrective actions taken to rectify these deviations. After the functions of management, discuss about the important roles of a manager, which comprises of number 1, interpersonal, number 2, informational, number 3, decisional. Number 1, interpersonal, it includes a manager should be figurehead, leader, liaison. Number 2, informational, which comprises of monitor, disseminator and spokesman. Number 3 is decisional. It includes a manager should be entrepreneurial. Number B, disturbance handler, resource allocator and lastly negotiator. So, I hope that you have understood the same from the topic of functions and role of management. Thank you so much.